Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign into your Krisp AI account or keep seeing login errors, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application or visit the Krisp AI website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to sign in, as connection problems can prevent successful login. Next, carefully check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Enter your registered email address and follow the instructions in the password reset email to create a new password. Now, if you don't receive the reset email, check your spam or junk folder. You should also confirm that you're using the same email address you used to create your Krisp AI account. Next, restart the Krisp AI application and try signing in again. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache if you're using the web version, or update the desktop app to the latest version. If you normally sign in with Google or another connected account, make sure you're using the same sign-in method instead of entering an email and password. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, contact Krisp AI support and provide details about the error message you're seeing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Krisp AI login issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.